Well, welcome to paint day. Toasty 22 degrees in my garage slash paint booth slash shithole. Yeah, let's get on and mix some paint. Well, before we mix paint, panel wipe stuff, work out making sure things are in the right area, where we're going to do stuff, just have a quick practice run. Can I get to where I need to go, blah blah blah, and yeah, cool. See how we go. Might just suddenly see it in colour next if I don't film it, otherwise yeah, just going to mix up some paint in good conditions. I bought myself some 2.5 litre tins off Amazon, mix them up in that, throw them away afterwards. So we're trying to do mixing pots and they're trying to pour, at least I can do big litre batch, and then yeah, don't follow me on the instructions, you make sure you follow your proper instructions on mixing. And yeah, normally a bit of hardener goes in, top paint, and sometimes a little bit of thinners. First coat on. Let's have a quick look. How we're doing while it's just going off. So that camera work. Yeah, I'm not too sure about the doors. They might need a lot of polishing. It is what it is, as I say. A lot of dust in here. Obviously you can tell I haven't really cleaned up that well still. Still a few bits I've missed that I need to make sure I do. One thing I've learnt is when we do the interior next time, let's paint this edge, the outside edge as well. Just the lip where the rubber goes, because then it'll allow me to mask then on the outside, because I'm having issues with my masking and also having decent masking coat. But anyway, first coat going on. Have seen a run on the A panel. I'm trying to be careful not to do any runs on the main areas, but I saw one on the A panel. It's quite easy to overload the top up here, sort of thing, with paint, and it just runs down a bit. You can nearly see it going there, so I've got to be careful. It's quite easy to do a load of paint on that over those edges there, because it crosses over a point. But anyway, we'll see what it looks like after a few more coats. Well, that's it. I stupidly decided to paint my front end as well, which I knew I shouldn't have done. I had a bit of paint left and I thought, well, I haven't got enough paint to do another whole coat. I'll just do that, that'd be quick. Rubbed it down, bosh, popped it in there, and I knew I shouldn't do it in here. I shouldn't do it in here, because I haven't got enough space as it is. Stupid, man. Just do it out back or something. But no, I popped it in there, and then my fucking arse touched a bit of the A panel. So I've got a big fat arse. So yes, stupid me. Obviously I'd recommend anyone to go to a body shop and get this done professionally if you want a good job. But yeah, literally the place is too small. So yeah, already told you some hints and tips of what I've suffered. As I said, you need space. It's much easier to have just done the panels separately at a certain time instead of trying to do it all at once. But yeah, you know me, gung-ho, Matthew. Got a few runs on that as well, because I just whacked one big coat on it, which I shouldn't have done really, but it looked alright on the wall. And so yeah, doors. Oh, don't know if you can see that, or you can. I can even see that through the camera. Not good at all, not good at all. So again, pointless smacking the doors. They weren't ready to be smacked. But anyway, that's life. Some bits aren't too bad, got some shit in it, but what do you expect being in the garage? Yeah, well, let it go off, and we'll come back once it's all dry and take the masking off and just see what it looks like, because I'm not doing too much more now. Not going to repaint it, I don't think, and if I did, I'd remask it anyway. So yeah, alright guys, see you in a bit. Ah, things are a bit dry. Doors aren't looking as bad as they first seemed, but they're still not brilliant. We'll see if a bit of rubbing down can help. We need to try and pack some of this stuff away. But yeah, here's the car. I'm gonna take some of this mask off there. Lovely, 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 lovely. A few bits that need touching up. Mask it on really to help. Do a bit of polishing, but as I said, I can't polish now. Not for a few weeks anyway. Not without a booth, you can't get the thing heater and everything. It's like Christmas. Lovely. Let's move you to the front. Bonnet's not too bad. It's got some shit in there. As far as how much dust gets in here. But yeah, oh, cool, cool, cool. Love taking the mask off. Just reveals the car. Yeah. I wonder if we can put that inside. It's maybe not the best place for it. Not the best place for that. I wonder if I can get you up. I need to. Running a bath at the moment. I need to go clean myself. The hinges all look fairly good there, do. Let's take the masking off the doors, off the roof. Love it. Yeah, there's a few places that need a bit of work, but this is a money shot. This is a money shot. Let's see how much I've oversprayed. Beat a bit of green white, can you? Yay! Oh, please give me some likes for this. You know, yeah, I've made a few mistakes, and I'll tell you about all the mistakes because it'll help you guys solve your mistakes if you can't make them. Because that's the main thing. I don't want you guys making the same mistake as me. Get in. Look at that. That's cool. A little bit of overspray for diffusion bay. I have to sort that. A little bit on the wire loom. That's cool. Hope you guys like. Do you guys like? Can't really get further back at the moment. Yeah. Amazing. Brilliant. That's it for me today. Please give us some likes if you like it. It's not the best job, but I'm looking around at my conditions. Yeah, you know, there's already a few spots I thought, oh, I should have done that differently, you know. But yeah, as I said, I'll go through all my mistakes at some point so you guys can learn from it. And yeah, let's get this baby packed away for the night. Go have a drink to celebrate. Yeah, so like, share, and whee, it's fucking green. Looking like a mini now.